One of the most common questions I get when we're setting up a new Squarespace site is, how do I take payments? And the honest answer is, you have more options than you think. But here's the thing I've noticed. Most business owners are thinking about this from their side of the transaction. What tool do I use? What do I connect? What are the fees? Your customers are actually thinking about it differently. They're thinking, can I use Apple Pay? Can I pay in installments? Can I do a bank transfer? Squarespace Payments isn't really a choice you make instead of something else. It's a way to give your customers the choices they're already looking for. And once I explain that, the whole conversation changes. Hi, I'm Kelsey Gilbert-Kreiling. I'm the founder of Week of the Website, creator of Eventually Ticketing, and the author of Squarespace from Sign Up to Launch. First thing to know is that Squarespace Payments is built on Stripe technology. So you're not giving anything up by using it. The second thing, and this surprises almost everyone, you don't have to choose between Squarespace Payments and PayPal. You can run Squarespace Payments and PayPal side by side. That means your clients can pick at checkout. That's not a workaround, that's just how it works. I've been a Squarespace Circle leader long enough to have watched this product grow from something pretty limited into something genuinely interesting. And the reason I pay attention to it now is that it's clearly where Squarespace is putting its energy. They've expanded it internationally. They've added buy now, pay later options with Afterpay and Klarna, which really matters for service businesses with higher price points. They've added instant payouts so you can access your money the same day. They're also building Squarespace Capital, which is financing built right into the platform. This is the product that Squarespace is developing. If you're selling on Squarespace, you're in the best position if your payments are there too. It can support payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, ACH Direct Debit, Klarna, Afterpay, and mobile wallets. SEPA and Ideal are also coming for international use cases. It works across all Squarespace commerce, digital products, member sites, and donations. Everything. Even orders, payouts, and disputes live in your dashboard. Now here's what I'd want you to know before you make any decisions. Squarespace Payments does not currently work with Acuity scheduling. If booking payments are central to your business, you'll still need to connect Stripe to Acuity. And these are separate payment flows right now. It also doesn't work with Squarespace Point of Sale. So if you take in-person payments through Square, that integration is going to stay separate. When payments are dialed in on Squarespace, every part of your business flows together. Invoices, memberships, online stores. That's what a well-run version of this looks like.